Throw a bottle or hit it with a bottle?
No, she hit it. I heard it. Oh, the glass is in the road, sir.
Okay. Give me a second. When one's available, can you give me another unit? Hold on.
I don't even steal from people.
Relax.
She lets the thieves in.
Let's get out of the road. Let's get out of the road.
You're not
Let's talk over here.
understanding what I'm saying.
Let's get out of the road.
I know, hang on. Listen,
We will talk about it. Just let's get out of the road.
You let the thieves. I'm sorry that you have a problem, but ain't nothing to do with me.
I got you.
I've never stole from that store. I've never done anything to those people.
Okay.
The truth is the truth. I don't give a fuck. It's the truth.
I understand. I got you.
No, you really don't.
I'm hearing you out.
They can call the cops on everybody. I went in there and bought alcohol 2 times. 3rd time, she says she called the police on me.
This suspect is referencing buying alcohol from the convenience store across the street. However, she's trespassed from there, so she wasn't supposed to be there in the first place.
I don't even do anything to people.
Okay, I got you. Real quick, you have ID on you? I know I've met you before. I just can't remember what your name is.
Doesn't matter. You can. I don't have no fucking warrant.
That's fine.
I don't even mess with people.
Okay.
I'm sick of people fucking with me.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. It's a Michael Kors. There you go. Here's my ID. I'm a good person. I don't deserve this.
Okay. Oh.
Sorry.
Nope,
I'm
you're
sorry.
okay.
I've never even
I didn't
met
grab
you.
it.
That's weird because.
Heather, I
The
have met
wrong
you
one
before
or
a
the
long
right
time
one?
ago. We'll figure this out. Just give us a second, because
Oh, I can figure everything out. I know what's going on. I'm not stupid. I'm sick
cooperating
of
with you.
people talk to me like I'm trash.
I know. And have I talked to you like you're trash?
I don't even know who you are.
Exactly. But in the interaction that we've had right now, have I done anything to offend
Why
you?
do people call the police on me then? It would be different if I stole from somebody.
I understand.
They steal my shit.
Relax.
Do I call you?
You need to stop approaching me and you need to calm the f down.
It's the truth.
I understand it's the truth, but you need
No,
to
you
tone
don't.
it down.
You don't
need to tone it
understand.
down, because this is going to be an
They
issue.
steal from me. I'm not even a criminal. I might be that. I'm not a criminal.
We have one more issue we have to address. It has nothing to do with the store, okay?
Well, it has to do with something calling them on me.
Hey, ma'am, 1 second. Let him talk. Just let him
People
talk.
fucking
Just let him talk.
So there's another issue. I need to go talk to the person who has this issue real quick. Officer Schramm,
Oh,
stand by
it's
with her
like
for a minute
hard
for me,
work.
please.
I swear to you, my life.
You're fine. Relax.
I went in there 2 times. She
What's your
let me
name?
buy
What's your
alcohol. Heather.
Heather. Heather.
3rd time she
Heather.
called. I'm sick of people calling police on me. I don't even like y'all.
Listen. You should relax for a second.
Ma'am, can you tell me,
All these, they all saw it.
can you just run the incident through again?
Coming from downtown from the old courthouse. I was at stop sign came through and
And what are you looking to have done today? Do you know where the damage is? I saw over here that you had your...
my taillight's gone.
Relax.
Really?
Really, relax. You're up here. Bring it down a little bit.
You break it down? How about you have the just because you wear the badge?
Ma'am,
have
stop.
them
Hold on.
call them on you all the
Stop.
time.
Stop. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm
See
saying
how
is,
you feel.
if you would listen,
See how you feel.
if you would listen,
See how you feel.
if you would
feel
listen,
like-
right now, all we're trying to do, we're going to get to the bottom. That's why he's going to talk to him. All I'm asking you is just relax for a second.
Listen, I did not ask to talk to you.
That's fine.
I didn't ask for
Ma'am, I
them
need you
to call the
stop. I need you to
police
stop.
on me.
Relax for a second.
I'm not even a
Relax
thief.
for a second. I'm not saying that.
I'm the wrong one to focus on.
Listen, what I'm saying is,
Ain't there other shit to deal with?
right now I have to talk to you. So that's why I'm asking you, just calm down for
Is
a
there not
second.
other important shit to do?
Obviously, right now you're pretty important. That's why I'm talking to you.
How? I'm not even a criminal.
That's besides the point. I've been asked to talk to you. That's
It's
why I'm
not
here.
besides the
That is
point.
100% besides the point.
I'm sick of being harassed.
Okay, I'm not harassing you.
It's not besides my point.
Okay.
And what are you looking to get done?
Press charge.
You want to press charges?
Press charge.
Okay, let me go verify something real quick. Just hang tight for me.
How long did it take to
Just
talk
relax,
to somebody
relax.
that was behind the counter?
Just relax for a second.
How long does it take?
It can take as long as you need.
He's in there talking to like 80 people. They don't even
Just
know what they're
relax
talking
for a
about.
second.
What?
Relax for a second.
Do you think I trust any
Relax.
of these bitches?
Relax.
Really?
Relax.
Nothing to arrest me for.
Okay then, relax.
Why don't you relax?
As you can tell,
And
I'm
people
very
call
relaxed.
the police on you.
I'm very relaxed.
Because you got a badge, you are
I
relaxed.
am very relaxed. Thank you for
Because you
noticing.
got a badge on.
It has nothing to do with that.
They ain't gonna f with you.
Yes, they will.
People keep fucking with me. I'm gonna get mad.
Okay.
I want to talk to your partner.
When he comes over here, you can talk
I
to
am
him.
sick of.
I think he explained it to you, didn't he?
No, he did not.
So he didn't tell
He
you?
said, I need to wait for you.
No, I think he said you need to wait
What
for
did you say, sir?
You have to wait for the investigating officer that's still investigating.
He said he was your partner, right? Did he not say that?
That would be my
Actually, I
sergeant.
said he was a sergeant.
Oh,
I said-
don't stop. Stop now while you're ahead.
She don't listen, does she?
Nope.
This isn't the safest neighborhood.
No, you're
floating
absolutely
around it.
right. You're absolutely right. So I just heard on the radio, it sounds like they're having a deputy come down here now, and then we'll be able to sort this thing out, okay?
I would love for her to just pay for it. But that's not going to happen.
Right. Let me go figure this out real quick.
Done nothing.
Relax.
Well, I'm relaxed.
Debatable.
You need to relax. I'm not the criminal.
I don't see
You
any
really want
red
us to know?
lens pieces. Yeah. Like, did it sound like
It
it was
was
coming
on
from?
this side.
It was on this
Remember
side?
when you asked me where?
Yeah.
And I said, I don't know yet because I didn't even look.
Yeah, no, I got you. Just because the only reason I'm asking is just because my sergeant's been down this road plenty of times, and he says that he has seen that bottle in the road previously.
Ask them. They all saw it.
You guys,
I had just pulled up, but they everybody else here said they seen it when they, and
He saw it.
I had just pulled up.
Relax, relax.
So Heather,
What am I being detained for?
listen to me for a minute.
Sir,
Listen,
I'm not
and
a
I'll tell
criminal.
you. Listen, you were trespassed from this place. Whether they asked you, let you
Find
come.
the way to
Listen
get
for a
here.
damn minute. Damn it, listen, and I'll explain it. So we didn't see you on the property, so you're not going to jail for it. However, you're getting another trespass warning for being on the property. Listen, listen. Okay? So you're going to get another trespass warning just telling you not to come back to the property, okay? That's all it is. You're not going to jail.
Why are they gonna let me on, let me off, and then call me whenever the fuck they want? It ain't right.
Well, when
I'm
you're
not
acting
a
like this,
criminal.
I would call on you too.
I'm just not going to stop and try and blame it on some homeless girl.
no, I'm not saying that. So what we're trying to determine is if, because you've never seen this before that we've been able to establish. What we're trying to determine is if this happened from this incident or if this occurred some other time and you just never noticed. The only issues we're having is the piece is clearly gone,
gotta be in
and
the road.
we were looking in the road. There's no red lens piece in the roadway. That's what we're just trying to figure out. We're trying to confirm, because not that we think that you're just stopping and blaming some random person. That's the last thing that we're thinking. What we have to do on our side is we have to be able to have probable cause that this damage took place here during this incident. We're not trying to, say we don't believe you or anything like that. We're just, we have to make sure on our end, because if something falls back and it comes to find out in court that something's not true or anything, the city can be liable to be sued and all that other nonsense. So, and officers could actually lose their jobs and possibly go to jail depending on circumstances. So,
I understand.
so we're trying to cover all of our bases. That's all we're trying to do. Okay.
Now I've got to ask you a serious question.
Go ahead, ask me.
The white vehicle. When you were over here yelling,
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not a criminal.
that's why we're investigating.
Unless I'm
Cameras
arrested,
don't view.
let me go. You need to let me go.
So, sorry, we're trying to solve this before you got here, but white GMC was coming from downtown. As she was coming down this way, she says Heather over here took this bottle and hit her car with it.
Talk about vandalizing.
Off the roadway!
Right there.
Ma'am.
Right there.
Relax.
Gotta prove your shit. Stop proving. Stop lying.
Spit on you?
Yes, you did.
She can go to jail.
What am I?
Now you're going for battery, Leo, because
I said there's a camera right there. I did nothing to you.
Relax.
You're gonna take my phone?
Yes, actually.
Cameras everywhere. Don't
That's
mind.
fine.
We're just at that point, and I checked cameras already. They don't have cameras that reach out over here. I was trying my best to get this
Where's
swan.
she going, man?
Up? Well, I don't know.
I need to know what I'm being arrested for.
Battery,
I need
Leo.
my fucking wallet. I need my shit. F you. Go ahead, throw me, do whatever you think you can do.
Get in.
Hurt me some more.
Get in.
Oh, see that?
Get in the car, man.
Pull her in the car.
Pull her in.
Get in the car. Spit on me.
Oh, fantastic. She spat on an officer, so she's going to jail for battery on Leo.
Alright, so that makes my job 10 times easier.
Help!
Relax.
Help!
Sorry, buddy. I did not expect this to go out the way it did.
It's fine.
After transporting Heather to jail, officers need to search her.
Heather, I need you to get out of the car.
Nope.
I need you to get out of the car, or I'm going to have to
Hit
get
my
you.
head again?
I need you to get out of the car.
Are
I
you
need
gonna
you to
hit
get
my
out of the
head
car.
again? You're arresting me for no reason.
Step back.
Hit
here
my
because
head.
She needs to.
You're violating my rights. Just saying.
She needs to search you. Look at the car. Face the car.
You will suffer for f***ing with me.
Hey, do you have any needles on you, Heather?
Are you f***ing kidding me? I get plasma and save lives. Get the f*** over yourself.
What is that?
What is what? A boob? Oh, she's
A fake boob.
Oh, yeah.
Did you know that? Oh, okay.
So did I. You're going to be sorry.
Relax.
You want to feel the fake boob again?
I'm good.
Let's get in the car.
Don't put up with
Get in
it.
the car. Get in the
Oh, you're
car.
gonna spread me out some more?
Get in the car.
I thought you were arresting me.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Now you're in trouble. Now you are in trouble. I can know that.
Heather was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.